Hello, beautiful. So I want to do an unboxing with you today. I just got this in the mail. It's so funny. I'm looking at this light over my head and it's looking like it's part of me, like it's an elevation of me. Isn't that beautiful? It's an elevation of me. But anyway, that's not why you're here today. So I am doing an unboxing from Just Jeannie, and she's amazing. I did her masterclass, Elevated Living, and it was 8 weeks. It was a beautiful class. The whole premise of the class was turning the ordinary into an extraordinary experience for yourself. Card, so I'm not going to read that because, cards are always personal. You don't have to read cards people give you, and so I'm not going to read that. It's personal. But I will let you see me opening up this box, and I was really excited for the fact that it came FedEx ground. But I worked with FedEx for 18 years, and of the 18 years, you're not going to believe this when I tell you, 18 years, of the 18 years, 7 of those years, I worked as a courier driver. Can you believe it? Can you even imagine me working as a courier driver? But I did. Probably one of the most organized, chic, elegant little courier drivers you're ever going to see. But I was totally me. But very feminine. But hey, you do what you have to do. And I love the company. I was there for 18 years. So I wish you could be here with me because it smells so good. This, ooh, love it. This is definitely made by her. Spark, Evolve, and Shine. I hate to take this off. So you can scan and thrive. Spark, Evolve, and Shine. Scan and thrive. That's what it says right there. So anyway, it says, thank you for embracing change and choosing pivotal moments to ignite not just a candle, but this journey of a lifetime. Oh, I love it. She's just so elegant and so classy. I love her stuff. Ooh, this is a candle. This is a candle of all candles. But this is beautiful, isn't it? And I could just sit it right here on the top, just like that. So this is a candle. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love a good unboxing. I love it. I love when people send me things. This is a Crystal Shannon Harper, a 9-foot cake plate, handmade. I kid you not, this is handmade. Good and Good products have been handcrafted by skilled artisans to bring brilliant, elegant, and style to your table or home for years to come. I feel bad because I have a cake plate. It was my mother-in-law's, and I just brought it home from her house when we sold the house. Who says you can't have 2 of everything? Handmade? This takes gorgeousness. Is that a word? Am I made a word? This takes beauty to another level. Look at this. Look at that. And this is just beautiful. Item we have. Oh, these are 4 napkins. I love napkins. I love me some napkins. Whenever I have dinner or lunch, you know how I just feed myself. But you know how when you have dinner guests and you put all of your best food, all of your best out. You just decorate your table, your home. You just do everything for your guests. Well, decorate your life for yourself. Romanticize your own life. And elegant and beautiful and classy. I just love it. I love beautiful things. I love beautiful things, elegant things, things that are luxury. I just love them. Absolutely love them. You can tell I'm one of those slow people when they open up boxes, just take the time, because I like to savor the moments. I like to savor the moments when I'm doing things. I like to savor, I like to be mindful when I'm doing things, and I just want to be mindful while I'm doing this. So this is the next item, bubble wrap. Okay, I'll leave this out. Send me a bunch of bubble wrap so I can distress. Oh, this is beautiful. You know, my husband and I, we love to entertain friends. So this is, I want to smell everything. But this is beautiful. Look at that. You know what? Every chic woman deserves a chic cocktail shaker. Coup Glasses and a chic cocktail shaker. So this is a cocktail shaker, so I'm really excited about this. It's like the box keeps getting bigger and then my hole is getting deeper. It's like I just keep going down and down and down. And oh, you know what? I knew that. I knew what they were. I just couldn't think of it. These are cocktail like napkin picks. Beautiful being in her class. It was amazing. I had a lot of fun. Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. Oh my next dinner party, I have lamb. I have French lamb already in the rack of lamb in my freezer. And I'm getting ready to throw an elaborate dinner party for 4. When you've been married so many years, after a while you just say, you know what? Darling, I want a bigger diamond. I love coupe glasses. Cool and elegant. You see that? La pièce de résistance. So this is probably what I think it is. It definitely feels like a book. She does have a cookbook out, and the cookbook, see, I told you I don't like ripping things open. Jeannie Jacobs, welcome to my table. And she is just this elegant and classy. I love her. And she's so sweet. A southern belle. She's a true southern belle. And this is, she's from Houston. So lots of family recipes and recipes passed down through the generations. I'm excited about going through her cookbook. I'm excited about using all of the products that came with me in this unboxing. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did, because this was just divine. It truly was. This does look beautiful. You know, a lot of times we get cookbooks and they don't have a lot of really nice pictures, but every picture in this cookbook is just amazing. So definitely make sure you get this, because you will definitely learn how to elevate everything that you eat from her book. And that's it. I just wanted to do this unboxing with you. That's it. There's nothing else in it. I wish there was. So that's it for the unboxing. And thank you so much, Jenny, for, you know, allowing me to do this unboxing and share it with everyone. It's beautiful gifts, very sweet of you, very thoughtful. And I look forward to using all of the items in the box. Ciao, darling.